Hi friends, welcome to Nishchala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very special pickle that is made from lemon juice. Yes, you heard me right. Not the lemon pieces, but we are just going to use lemon juice. This pickle is very famous in one part of Andhra where people love to eat spicy food. And this pickle tastes well with idli, dosa, vada, or even tastes great when you have it with rice and ghee. Now I'm tasting this pickle for the first time with the idli. It's a great relief when I have this pickle handy at home. I need not rush in to make chutneys every morning. Let's start the process. Take a pan, add some oil into it, and once the oil is hot, we will have to make a small powder for this pickle. So we are going to make that powder. And for that, we are adding 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds and give them a good mix. Once they start slowly changing the color, add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Usually when we make such pickles, mustard seeds quantity would be more and methi seeds quantity would be less. But here it's vice versa. 3 tablespoons of methi seeds and 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Once the color of methi seeds turns little darker brown, add 50 grams of dry red chilies. Here I am showing the process by using 50 grams of red chilies. Now, do not move away from stove once you add the red chilies. We have to be near the stove and the flame should be in sim and we have to keep mixing it. Once the red chilies are also fried, add 1 teaspoon of hing. Here I am using powdered hing. You can also use the rock hing that tastes more better. Now give it a good mix after adding hing and turn off the stove and bring it into room temperature. Once these ingredients are brought into room temperature, take them into a mixer grinder and add salt into the same mixer grinder. Now we have to grind this into 80%, means a coarse texture. See, this should be the texture after we grind it. Now into this powder, we'll have to add lemon juice. See, I have taken 1 cup of lemon juice. I am adding half of it into the jar and give it a good mix and then we'll have to grind it. See, I added half cup and when I am mixing it, the texture is looking so watery. But once you grind it, you will see a different texture. See, I'm going to grind it once again. See, I will show the texture after grinding it for the second time in the mixer. See, now my color and texture of the pickle has changed, but still it is hard. This should not be the consistency. So I am adding the other half lemon juice that is already remaining with me. Now I am going to put it in the mixer once again. Now my desired consistency must come. And do not forget to check the salt also. See, this is the consistency that I am looking for. Now take this into a separate bowl and leave it. Now we are going to make tempering for this pickle. Few things that you have to keep in mind while preparing this pickle is, in case if your red chilies are too spicy, you can add in a little lemon juice. You need not stick into the same 1 cup consistency of lemon juice. Depending upon the spiciness in your red chilies, you can change it. And now for tempering, take the same pan and add around 3 tablespoons of oil to it. And even for tempering, we are not using too many ingredients, just 2 ingredients and our tempering is done. For this, I am adding 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 4 red chilies. That's it. Once you fry them, you just need to pour the pickle that you have kept aside into the pan and give it a good mix. As soon as you pour the pickle inside it, turn off the stove. That's it. Give it a good mix and our pickle is ready. See, I am pouring the pickle that I have taken and I have turned off the stove. Keep mixing the pickle until it absorbs the oil that is there in the pan. See, slowly the texture has changed in front of our eyes. It was looking so oily. Now there is no oil. It has sucked in the oil nicely. Now take it into a glass jar and see it after 1 day. Now I am opening this lid after leaving it for 1 day. Just look at the texture. It's really wow. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, do try this recipe. You need not be an expert in cooking to try this. And in case if your red chilies are little spicy, add more lemon juice and bring it to the right texture. See, I hope you will try this at home. And if you like it, do share it with your friends and family members. And do not forget to share in the comment section how this turned out to be. And if anyone has not subscribed to the channel yet, do hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching Nestella's Kitchen. Bye everyone.